Hi, there are two ways how you can disable voice over mode on iPhone 16e. The first one is with the help of Siri, so we just need to ask her to turn off voice over. Let's try this out. Hey Siri, turn off voice over mode.
Okay, I turned voiceover off.
And yep, she just turned off this mode. Now I'm gonna show you second way, but for that I need to enable it back. So let's close settings. And now to turn off this mode, you can pick settings, double click to select. Here, if you are in main settings, then you need to choose accessibility. Double click it like that. Choose voiceover, double click again to confirm, and now just toggle off the switch by double clicking it. And now voiceover is turned off. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.